Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Notepad issues. Reset to default settings in Windows 11. Open Settings. Open Advanced Settings. Click Reset. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.